Hi guys, recently we have made a video where we did the installation of the OEM fog light kit in 2016 Scion TC. As you can see, this kit comes with regular halogen bulb and it is a reflector light. And today we will install the LED projector kit from Cartrimhome. Originally this kit was designed to be installed in 2019-2020 Toyota RAV4, but since we already have LED light in Toyota RAV4, we will try to install this kit in our Scion TC. So I'll quickly show you what's inside the box. As you can see here, we have the light itself and the bracket, which will be used for this installation. So most likely, if you have a similar bracket in your car, most likely in Toyota, it should fit in your vehicle as well. So the light comes as a separate unit, so you cannot replace the LED bulb. The LED element is actually integrated into the light. I'm not sure if you can see it right now, but I'll try to show you. It's a yellow LED inside the light. It has CAN bus, which will prevent any flickering or error messages in the vehicle. It uses universal Toyota connector to plug it in the vehicle. So we have one light like this, the second one exactly the same. We also have some separate wiring, which we will not be using for this installation, and you have bolts used for the installation. You will be able to install these lights. So on this side you can actually reach the OEM portion and remove it through this opening and install this bulb through there. On this side you will actually have to remove part of the plastic underneath, and then you'll be able to install the second light through that opening. You have to keep in mind that the kit does not come with the switch or the wiring. All that actually came with the OEM kit, and if you don't have OEM kit installed in your vehicle, you won't be able to easily install these bulbs. So these bulbs are meant as a replacement for the OEM light, basically. Again, this is how the OEM light looks like. You can see it has yellow light right now. And this is our new bulb, which will be installed over here. And this is how it looks compared to the OEM so far. So right now we will proceed to the installation, and I will also leave the link for this product in the description, so if you guys like it, you can check it out. The set comes with 4 bolts, 2 per light assembly, and you can see there are also 2 washers, well, 4 in total. So right now we will install this bracket, which is similar to the one on the OEM part. So there is one hole right here. and there is another one on this end. So I'll just make it parallel currently to the frame, and then we'll see how it fits. This gives us a little bit of room to adjust the light in future. Now it looks like this. When you install these lights, you have to make sure the polarity is right, because if you don't observe the polarity, it won't work. So this way it won't work, this way it will. So if it doesn't work, just turn it around. So now it's connected, and I'll test the bulb. And as you can see, it's working. This will have to zip tie or put some tape and attach it to the body. So as you could see, we only were able to use 2 screws to secure the light assembly. The reason is because, as you can see, compared to the OEM, the mount is slightly narrower. So that's why we used only 2 screws but not 3. Now let's see how it works. Well, based on the light pattern that you see right now, it looks like we installed it upside down, which means we'll have to turn it around, turn it 180 degrees. But, because here you can see light itself, and this is the line that cuts off the light, and it should be vice versa. But besides that, so far it is very bright. The lamp has been switched around, and this is now what we get. So we can compare. You can see the OEM yellow light and the new projector LED. Right now I will show you how it looks like from the distance. And this is how it looks like from the front. This is the new LED light bulb. And on the right side, or the left in our case, you can see the OEM, and this is the difference. The light is definitely a lot brighter than the OEM. It actually is brighter than my current LED headlight bulbs, but they were not too bright in the first place.